Hello everyone. The point of sale multi-receipt app helps user to print an n number of receipts in the point of sale. So at first let's complete the configuration. So for that let me get into the settings. Under point of sale, user needs to enable and print multiple receipt checkbox and enter an integer number in the multi-receipt count to print an point of sale receipt in the given number of times. So after completing this configuration, so let me save this one. Then we need to get into the point of sale and create a new session. So for getting into the point of sale, we need to get in the main menu and there we can see end point of sale. Let me get into that. So from here, let's open a new session. Okay. Now let's choose end product and let's choose the customer and let's start the payment. Okay. Now let's validate it. Now user can see a receipt should be printed as per a given number of times in the point of sale receipt screen. So in this way, we can make use of this module to print an n number of receipts in the point of sale. Thank you for watching.